So, the Golf is already here, our subject. I'll go check out the GTR. Be right back. A full carbon fiber bumper. A pair of seats that go away mosquito. So the guys are doing some parking because they will be filming something for Robert's channel, and I want to show you something that I haven't shown you in my previous videos. A very important update. A stairway to heaven. Let's go check it out. So this is basically our storage and lunch area as well, and this is more or less what we had imagined to have when we were first here the very first time, like the very first video about Apex, when it was just like an old barn. We wanted to have some sort of a lounge area with a glass floor, but it was not really possible. So this is what we have now. I think it's pretty cool layout. But anyhow, today we are going to pick up the seats for the Golf, install them probably as well. So very much looking forward to it. Let's go to Atomic and do the pickup.
Where's the next stop?
Not even a fist, like a hand, maybe. Yeah. What did they say about 2 meter distance?
Do you want to sleep hours? I can't, we're working.
Yeah. We are on the mission. Very important mission. Should be big enough to fit like 30 seats.
I hope so.
Right, so we're going to Atomic currently to pick up the seats. That's where I ordered them. The seats are always in stock there. The only issue were the seat mounts, because not many people want to have these type of seats on a Golf Mark IV. So we had to wait for them quite a lot, and especially now with the Corona and stuff, Recaro wasn't working. Is there anything fancy yet? No, nothing fancy today at test center. So Recaro wasn't working, and now finally we have them, and very much looking forward to install them. Yay! And the Safety Driving Center, or even the Drift Park Nürburg. Haven't been here in a while, and while we're driving past it, I'm thinking that maybe I should go do a brake test, like with the stock brakes and then with the modified brakes, see what the difference is. This is one of the most beautiful roads of the whole region. And here's a new chapel. In case you're new to this channel, you'll be like, so what's up? But actually, 2 years ago, someone drove, like, completely destroyed the chapel by ramming into it with his car. I believe it was like an Opel Vectra or something, and it took them 2 years to rebuild it. But it's there now. This is also the road, actually, that you have in Gran Turismo if you're doing pictures of your car, I think. I don't have Gran Turismo, but I believe it's the one. Another important update is that Fudgy OG, the ice cream shop of Nürburgring, is now finally open again, so you can go and do some takeout. La Lanterna, haven't been here in a while. You should go and check it out as well.
Is it good?
Yeah.
I've never been there.
Arriving at Atomic. The last time I was here must have been a year ago, when it was still snowing even. This is, by the way, their warehouse. The LBC is still have their showroom at the Nürburgring Boulevard, so we're gonna pick up the seats here. Nice. It's probably proper weight reduction as well, huh?
Well,
need help?
you can do it.
Okay.
You can do a weight difference in the seat that we've got.
Yeah, we could. Yeah, definitely. I'll go check out the GTR. Be right back. No, this is still a car that I need to experience. Active Aero. It's been building for quite a while. It used to be the world record drag racing car, and now it's being converted to a track car. Well, let's go install the seats. Thanks, Atomic. And the one on the lift here is getting a full carbon fiber bumper. Now that's some aesthetics. And probably weight reduction as well, but I guess on the bumper it's mostly aesthetics.
Come into a month for Golf near you.
Oh yeah. I think this could be like a whole side panel. That's how big it is in comparison. Nice. Still in stock shocks though. Huh, but it does have a different oil pan. But I guess it doesn't matter regarding the shocks, because so it seems it's a full drag racing spec car. So in that case, every gram matters. And a very fancy titanium exhaust. I guess it's titanium. I think it's NVIDIA titanium. Wastegate. George, look at this. How soft it is.
Oh man.
It's a full drag racing spec. Yep.
1 lap of the Nordschleife dead.
Probably half a lap. Now, back to Apex and install the seats. But first, let's go get some ice cream.
Oh man.
All the choices, huh?
All the choices.
Mr. Burglar. Say purple burglar alarm.
Purple burglar alarm.
So you're not Scottish, huh? Yummy, yummy. In my tummy. Yummy. Cheers, mate.
Wait, 2 minute distance, just go.
Yeah, and you need to take your mask off, otherwise it's going to be difficult eating ice cream. Important info, got confused, they changed name. It's not Fudgies anymore, it's Johnny's. But it's still the same, very good. The best Italian ice cream at the Ring.
This is awesome.
Yes. So, the Golf is already here, our subject. These are the seats, in case you've never seen the Mark IV stock seats before. Yeah, so that's the reason why I'm getting new seats. So, just simple black. You can have them in leather and Alcantara, with airbags, with seat heating. But like Alcantara seat heating or a leather seat heating and airbag version is like, I don't know, like ridiculously expensive. So the seats, seat bases or seat mounts, and the airbag removals. The thingies, plugs, whatever, so you don't have the error message on the dashboard. Nice. Are we getting any stickers?
Stickers?
Yeah. Oh, interesting.
Maybe you've got a patch of leather.
Yeah, well, that's also... Oh, it already comes with the airbag things, or not?
Yeah.
So it seems... Yeah, okay.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Well, that's good.
Here's one we made earlier.
So we can bring it back.
Yep.
And that's my money back from Atomic, from Oleg. Pretty
Information. Information.
Nice. You gonna read it? How to install seats?
Installation guide.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Okay. Put metal things on seats and put seats in car.
Okay.
Shiny.
Nice. Fancy AF. Oh, here's a sticker. Yes. You want a sticker, George?
I'm good
for the Starlet? It's white, so...
But I don't have any Recaros.
Oh, well, you can put it on your Corbos then, and then... Uh-oh. Everything works with a crowbar. Ask Gordon Freeman.
Try not to scratch anything.
Trust me, it's least of my worries if you're gonna scratch anything in that car. Comparison. Yeah, I think this one is definitely lower.
So, without looking at instructions, because we're men, we don't do instructions. Let's work out.
That's why mortality rate is higher among men than women.
Stage 1 complete.
So I can go tell people that I have a stage 1 seats. You know, like stage 1, stage 2 tuning.
Well, yes, as low as possible.
Yes, because I know from Recaro they're like usually pretty high for people who are
Well, you're like
short.
9 foot tall, so...
Yeah, which is like 183. We can fabricate a ventilator and there we're gonna have a ventilated seats.
Depends, you could have a vented seat or you could have a seat which blows out.
Out.
You never know, man, on them pancakes.
Okay, that's nice. So what's up?
So, they supplied 2 different connectors to decide which one that your car needs, and yours needs neither of them.
Mine is what?
Yours is different.
Different from both of them?
Yes.
Hmm.
It says on the instructions, check which of the 2 supplied connectors fit the yellow-violet connector in the vehicle. Neither do. Plug the contacts of the 2 supplied into the connector positions 1 and 2, which is this resistor.
So maybe we don't need a connector, or?
No, you do, but this is the wrong ones.
Okay.
I mean, you can never be too safe. No, we're good.
We're good? No lights?
No light. I'm going to start her up just in case. No light.
Okay.
So we know that that's where the resistor goes, in between them 2 pins.
Yeah, so in case you have a Mark IV Golf.
We'll D-pin the plug.
And meanwhile, the second one is out. The stuff you find. It's lighter? Oh. So, weight edition then, huh?
I approve.
Thank you. You got some literature?
Yeah, I got some books. I made a story that we got these books delivered, and then his website wasn't up yet.
Mm-hmm.
And so many people messaged me that they wanted to buy one. I told them to bring another 18 by.
Okay.
So if anybody wants a book, we've got some.
Why is it not moving?
Ah, there we go.
Ah, it's just stiff.
Maybe need to put some grease on, or?
Yeah. This is a temporary fix.
Yeah. But I mean, I managed already to start the car with unplugged plug, so we already have an airbag warning light. And that's why I don't work on cars, because I just make things bad. I just drive them. And there we go. A pair of seats that go away mosquito. That costs as much as a car. It's like pretty much every other upgrade. And a while later, there we have it. The old stuff, that's hopefully by now already been picked up by someone else. And the new ones, which are very out of place in this car. And now it looks even higher. Like, I don't know, for some reason, like, you know, it contributes to the race car feeling. And then you have too much attention to the height, the ride height. So this is definitely one of the next mods that we should solve. But wow, so far, very much liking it. I guess we need to go for a ride this weekend then, huh? Fast forward to Reve. Did a quick trip to Adenau, didn't film it, should have done it probably. But I want to say, wow, obviously, I mean, day and night difference, this is something that I would have expected. So much more comfortable, so much more stable, so this is definitely what I also wanted to achieve. I see myself probably maybe in the future changing them for pole position when the car is going to have a lot more horsepower, maybe. But so far, very happy with what they offer. So we'll see. So I'm definitely not unhappy, but the future, like, I don't know, this project might go a bit crazier. But so far, yeah, excited to take them out for a lap. Take the seats out for a lap, or just take myself out in the seat for a lap. Anyway, just go for a lap and enjoy. So see you soon, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and this update, and see you next time. Hopefully we're gonna install the suspension, but yeah, I have to order a couple of more components like knuckles and stop mounts, and then we're gonna do it. So just a bit more waiting.